So, I've been deep diving into crypto mining topic recently, and last night I probably consumed like 100 videos or something about mining TRON tokens without purchasing actual hardware. And what's really disturbing is this consistent pattern I keep witnessing. We're talking probably around 93% of information are actively promoting blatant scam sites, displaying completely fake earnings proofs, operations with obviously purchased comments, and so on. I honestly got really pessimistic about whether legitimate mining apps even exist because the whole sector appears flooded with scam operations. But yeah, I found ArcMind about 10 weeks ago, and look, it remains the only platform I genuinely recommend without hesitation. Like, I've put it through rigorous testing, completed numerous successful withdrawals, verified their legitimacy extensively, and it's consistently proven reliable. So, let me demonstrate this so you see everything. Okay, first thing, clicking Start Mining. So, I'm going with TRX here, though the app actually supports mining for essentially every major cryptocurrency, but TRON's my choice today. Clicking Continue Now. Perfect. So at this point, I need to add my address, so switching to my wallet, copying that address, back to the platform, and dropping it right here. Good. Now I'm adjusting hash rate power and mining speed. Basically, these sliders control how much processing capacity gets assigned to operation and the processing speed. But catch this, it directly impacts what you'll pay in fees. So if I increase these settings, I'll mine crypto faster, but the costs rise accordingly. Okay, next I'm setting my target amount. This displays how much crypto I'm targeting, what that converts to in dollars, and the projected time. Good. So now I'm initiating the mining process. Awesome, it's running. All the data is visible here, total time, power allocation, efficiency metrics, so let's give this a moment. And nice, done. I've successfully mined my tokens. But a key detail here, the platform needs the infrastructure fee covered before processing any withdrawal. Everything's itemized right here. So here's the energy consumption, here are the computing clusters that handled it, plus network transaction costs, and yeah, super important. The minimum infrastructure fee for accessing their resources is always $30 baseline, so account for that. So I'm copying this payment address, just give me a minute. Back to ArcMind, clicking I've sent the payment, and just waiting for processing. So while the transaction's confirming and I'm waiting for the tokens to hit my wallet, let me break this down for you. The cloud mining industry in 2026 is essentially one massive scam ecosystem with maybe one or two legitimate platforms hiding in the mess, and ArcMind happens to be that rare exception. And the reason I can say this confidently is because I've spent months researching how scams actually operate versus how real mining works, and the fundamental difference comes down to withdrawal consistency. Scam platforms are just Ponzi schemes, where they take new user deposits and pay them out to earlier users to create the illusion of profitability, which works great initially when new deposits keep flowing in. But the moment deposit velocity slows down, or too many people try withdrawing simultaneously, the whole thing collapses and the platform disappears overnight with everyone's funds. Whereas this app has processed literally every single one of my withdrawals over 10 weeks without a single issue or delay beyond normal blockchain confirmation times. And that consistent withdrawal reliability over extended periods is mathematically impossible for a Ponzi scheme to maintain. Here's what I'd tell anyone starting out. Begin with the absolute smallest contract possible just to verify independently that withdrawals actually work. Don't trust my experience or anyone else's, because the only way to know for certain is testing it yourself with minimal risk. And if that first withdrawal processes smoothly within reasonable time, then you've potentially found something legitimate. But stay cautious and scale up gradually rather than immediately going all in. So yeah, links in the pinned comment and description below. Start minimal, verify everything yourself, keep realistic expectations, and share your honest experience in the comments after testing it. Peace.